More choices, more features, more options. Isn't it always better for the users? Well, Hicks' law said otherwise. And once you understand it, you will see it everywhere. In 1952, two psychologists, Hicks and Hyman, ran the experiment, and they found that the more choices user faced, the more harder it's to decide. Add too many options and user will not just slow down, they will completely stop. It's not a user problem, it's a design problem. So where it shows in your work? In two places actually. Navigation menu, let's start with that. Every team wants to be part of that. Every team wants to show some of their features in front of the users, and it becomes larger and larger, and menus grows and grows, and well, you need to find the sweet spot and what it is. Usually it's 5 to 7 items. Above that, and for the users it became harder to find. Well, the same problem hits even harder when the money is involved. So let's talk about the pricing pages. Well, pricing pages. Every pricing plan that you add mental load, and capacity of the users, it's not that big. So every choice needs to be deliberate. And add default choice, it's not about the removing choices from the users, but actually makes it even smoother. So it became smoother for the users to start, just start, and they can actually make their choice. Every choice you add is work that you're asking users to do. Some of them is necessary, others not. Choose it wisely.